Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you or attempt to show you how to draw this without any outside boundary lines. There's a couple of ways we're going to do it. I'm going to take the 3-point curve line. I'm going to come straight down, holding down the control button, and then I'm going to let it go. And then what that did, Control D, and get the two-sided arrow and move it over, and we have that shape. Now I'm going to keep that shape, but I'm going to make another one, but I'm going to take this one and move it up and over quite a bit. So I'm going to take these two and I'm going to go to Effects, and I'm going to go, I don't want to contour. I'm going to go to Effects and blend 22 times, and I get that effect. You know, it's not much of a offset really yet. Let's do a little bit more. I want some curvy lines. Now, go to Object and break the blend apart, and I would go ahead and group this together. Then try not to move, but nudge. Whoop. Okay, I didn't make this a solid line. So take your Smart Fill tool, and what that does, it makes a solid line. I'm going to go ahead and make it black because we're going to use it later. Now, I'm missing some lines right here, but we're going to cut that away anyway. So what I'm going to do now is take both these items. You know what? I can make it a little bit bigger. You could stretch that out. And then select them all and go intersect. And then let's move that over. And that's what I get. But it's going to be hard to rotate that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my black line. And for a little bit, well, what I also need to do is take that, Control D, double click on the rotation and put it there. And let's rotate it 45 degrees. And then I can take this shape. That's the shape I really want because I don't want any overlapping lines. And what the intersect tool is going to do is going to cut out those other lines. See is what I mean? And we can actually go from right there. So let's take away this black one. And I'm going to show you how to get rid of that black line in just a minute. I'm going to go, and at this time, if you wanted to, you could get rid of those other lines, but we're just going to leave them. I think it's pretty cool. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it. Double click on the rotation and see the black is going to help us. And then rotate it 45 degrees. And then Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, if you wanted to, you could keep it like that and just make them all yellow and bring in a black box effect. And that's really pretty cool. Well, let's try something a little bit different. The reason I decided to make the video. Well, let's take away our black box. Let's make it back to the colors I had. Okay, and remember the black. I'm going to go in for a second. I'm going to go Object, Group, and Ungroup All. I'm going to get rid of all this. Well, you know what? I like that flower, so I'm going to Control C to copy it, because I can always put it back here in a minute. So I'm going to go to Edit and Find and Replace. And I'm going to go Find Object, and I'm going to take and try to grab a black line. And you can see down there I got black. From Selection, Find All, and hit Delete. Look at that. Now I can take, and I'm going to group those together, make them all yellow, bring in my black box effect, and I don't have any outline. That's the main reason for the video. And if I wanted to bring that other one back, I can right click and paste it, and there's my original if I wanted to look at it or use it so you didn't actually delete it. This one I don't like as much because I've got, remember those lines I was telling you about? But it's still pretty cool, and you could, you know, there's several ways to do something like this. This might not even be the best way. because the lines aren't really that curvy, so you could have done just curvy lines inside that first object. Anyway, so two different ways, and I actually like the ones with the deal. Well, I need to select them all and make them all yellow. And then take the black box effect. So maybe the video wasn't as cool as I thought it was going to be, because that looks pretty cool within itself. And remember that one I copied, I can always paste it back and I can get it again. So now I can kind of see them side by side without an outline and with an outline. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.